Namaste viewers, I am Dr. Shweta Singh and this time I am going to discuss the poem Lakshman by Toru Dutt. Toru Dutt's poem Lakshman is a dramatic monologue based on an episode from the Ramayana. It focuses on Sita's emotional conflict and her misunderstanding of Lakshman, highlighting themes of duty, suspicion, love, and tragic irony. The poem recreates the moment when Rama goes after the golden deer. That is actually the demon Marich in disguise. Sita hears Rama's cry and fears he is in danger. Lakshman, who is very loyal and calm, insists no harm can come to Ram. But Sita, who is overcome with anxiety, she accuses Lakshman of betrayal and selfish motives. Lakshman is deeply hurt, but he is bound by duty and he leaves her unprotected, leading to Ravana's abduction of Sita. So Toru Dutt transformed this epic scene into a psychological drama and especially focusing on Sita's voice. Here you can see the very first stanza of this poem Lakshman. That is a very long poem. Hark, Lakshman, hark, again that cry. It is my husband's voice. Oh, hasten to his succor fly. No more haste thou, dear friend, a choice. He calls on thee, perhaps his foes environ him on all sides round. That wail, it means death's final throes. Why standest thou as magic bound? So this poem is a kind of dialogue between Sita and Lakshman. Sita hears the painful voice of Ram that is actually created by the demon Marich, and she earnestly requests Lakshman to hear that painful voice of Ram and to rush for his help. So I will explain these lines. Hark, Lakshman, hark. Hark means listen. Sita is urgently telling Lakshman to listen. She is so sure that the voice that she hears that is full of pain is of Ram's voice. This repetition of hark word, you see, hark, Lakshman, hark. It shows that she is so fearful, she is so desperate, and she wants Lakshman that he should run for the help of Ram. She is no longer calm and emotion controls her. She is looking like a highly emotional person at this moment. Oh, hasten to his succor fly. No more haste thou, dear friend, a choice. She commands Lakshman that he should run and rescue Ram immediately because he has no other choice except to run. She removes all room for discussion, and to her helping Ram is not optional, but it is a moral duty. And look at the word dear friend. At this moment, she is talking to Lakshman like a friend. He calls on thee, perhaps his foes environ him on all sides round. Lakshman, he is calling for you. Perhaps his foes means his enemies, they have surrounded him from all sides round. So Lakshman, my dear friend, please run, help Rama. That wail, it means death's final throes. Why standest thou as magic bound? That wail means that painful sound, that cry. It means that death is approaching Rama. And the last line of this stanza, it clearly shows that Sita is shocked. Shocked for what? She sees that she is constantly pressurizing Lakshman to rush for Rama's health, and still Lakshman is standing there. He is not moving at all. So she thinks, are you magic bound? It means, has someone captured you under some kind of a spell that you are not moving even when I am pleading you again and again? So she cannot understand why Lakshman remains so calm. To her, his stillness looks unnatural, almost cruel. So you see that this whole stanza, it has some peculiar characteristics regarding Sita. The first is Sita's emotional vulnerability. Since Sita loves Rama too much and she becomes completely restless when she hears the voice, the painful voice of Rama. And the second point that is important to note, that when someone is under fear, like Sita is currently, she is imagining something bad is going to happen, something very bad is going to happen to Ram. So when a person is under fear, that person can imagine anything. And it also shows that a conflict is going to start between Sita and Lakshman. But the tragic irony is that we know, we, the audience means that we knows that Rama is safe. Lakshman knows that Rama is safe, but Sita doesn't know this. And this tension arises because Lakshman trusts Rama's strength while Sita trusts her fear. And here you see that I have given some multiple choice questions for the help of students. First, and you can see the answer at the end of each question. First question is, why does Sita call out to Lakshman repeatedly? The correct answer is B, because she hears Ram's cry and fears danger. Second question is, what does Sita believe the cry represents? The correct answer is C, Rama's voice calling for help. Third question, what does the phrase "no more his thou dear friend" a choice suggest? Correct option is C, Sita is commanding urgently. Fourth, what does Sita imagine is happening to Ram? Answer is B, he is surrounded by enemies. Fifth question, the expression death's final throe suggests? Answer C, a moment of extreme suffering before death. Sixth question, how does Sita view Lakshman's stillness? Answer is C, as magical paralysis or indifference. Question number 7, the tone of Sita in this stanza is mainly B, fearful and urgent. The repetition of the word hark emphasizes? Answer is C, her panic and desperation.